Suede God. Know what I mean? All aboard, leave the baggage at the door. Get punched like a heavy bag if you're bringing yours. Can't take it with you, got a better chance getting through TSA with a bag full of pistols. Only for the fiscals. Used to turn a half with the stems and the seeds to a bag full of nickels. People at the top get paid, then claim that the wealth might trickle. And this is my issue, down to the people. Equation still broken, cause the first two numbers don't make what they equal. The shit is pure evil, a civil war fought. All the old thoughts represent a bald eagle. The money goes missing, like the Parks Department 411. Quick disappearance, no weapon. The funds might vanish. Offshore accounts where they speak Catalan or Italian or Spanish. Can't repair the damage. They might find your body in some ambush. Looking all bruised, looking famished. For adrenochrome in a tablet. You know they gotta have it. Name a billionaire that isn't savage. Using every cop as security. Every single body that they drop based on fear and insecurity. Living in a country where we never have stability. Living in a world where they gangbang spiritually. It's all a big scheme with the pyramid. It's all a big dream. If you chase it, there's a chance you'll disappear in it. All that other shit, I'm not hearing it. If it's not arm, leg, arm, head, God fearing shit. Lucky number 7, lucky number missing 411. People try to buy their way to heaven. You can't take it with you. Can't bring possessions on the train. When it's time to go, they will remain. That's a fly chain, but you can't take it with you. Better flex hard before the reaper comes to get you. Can't live forever, no vampire bitch. You tuck everlasting, intermittent fasting.
When you look at some of these cases, you have to consider possibilities with which we are really uncomfortable. You know, as a rational society, we're uncomfortable thinking about what else could be out there. But some of these situations are so unusual, you have to think beyond the bounds of what's normal. What's a normal explanation for this?